Newfarth, Walker's PTSA President and Kennedy's Secretary.
Hello everyone, my name is Giovanna Ariano. I am Kennedy's PTSA President and I am Walker's Vice President of Hospitality.
We still want to encourage you to support our schools by becoming a member of our PTSA. It might not seem like we have done a whole lot this year, but we've been working hard behind the scenes to provide support to our teachers and staff during the hard times. To join us, head over to jointotem.com and search Walker Junior High PTSA and John F. Kennedy High PTSA.
Hey Kennedy seniors, just as a reminder, we are now accepting applications for our PTSA scholarships. All you need to do is to be a PTSA member and complete the application. The application is on our webpage and social media pages, or contact your counselor. Want to stay in touch with PTSA? Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And remember, we are still on the school's website under PTSA tabs. Now, that business we all have been waiting for. Both Kennedy and Walker boards moved to adopt minutes from our previous association meeting, the mid-year audit, and our nominating committees. These items must be approved by our association. Current PTSA members, please look for a Google form coming your way shortly via email. Complete the form to submit your votes. Want to be a part of the PTSA next year? Nominations are now open. Look for the link to nominate someone today. Oh, and Irish, don't forget, our Spirit Wear store is now open and it will close February 21st. We hope and we wish everyone is staying safe. We miss all of you and can't wait to be on campus again.